Hi, hello, and welcome to my channel Shimna Study Corner. Today, we will be discussing a topic which is not just meant for Standard 10 students, but it can be helpful to anyone who is interested in learning English. Yes, we are going to begin lessons on basic English grammar. Do follow my videos regularly to make English grammar learning easier. If you are watching my channel for the first time, consider subscribing. Don't forget to enable the bell icon so that you don't miss any of your grammar classes. So, let's move on to the very first class of your grammar lessons, parts of speech. The question which confuses most of us is how many? How many parts of speech do we have? The answer is 9. We have 9 parts of speech. They are nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, determiners, and interjections. Let's move on to the first part of speech. Nouns. What are nouns? Nouns may be name of things, animals, people, and even ideas. Things include table, book, chair, etc. Animals, as we all know, includes cat, dog, cow, etc. People includes doctor, nurse, teachers, etc. And ideas or abstract things include honesty, politeness, belief, etc. The second part of speech is verb. Verbs are action words. It denotes any action done by the subject. Example, run, fly, sing, dance, etc. It also includes words which denote a state of things like be, believe, etc. The next part of speech is adjective. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. Example, red, big, beautiful, small, etc. The next part of speech is adverb. Adverbs describes a verb or how someone does something. Example, quickly, loudly, angrily, etc. Next, we have pronouns. They are words used instead of nouns. They help us to avoid repetition of nouns. Example, I, he, she, they, it, them, etc. The sixth one is preposition. Prepositions are words used to show position, location, direction, and time in English. It's always followed by a noun or pronoun. It can never be followed by a verb. Examples of prepositions are below, in, near, on, over, etc. The seventh part of speech is conjunction. Conjunctions are words that connect two words, phrases, or clauses. Example, and, or, but, because, etc. The second last part of speech is determiner. Determiners are words that comes before a noun to show how the noun is being used. Example, a, his, many, etc. Frankly speaking, determiners is a topic which is very vast. We'll be discussing all these things in detail in a different video. The last one is interjection. Interjections are words or phrases that show how you feel. Example, hooray, wow, alas. There are many more which can be cited as examples. Now, there is one thing that we must be careful about. There are instances where the same word may play the roles of two different parts of speech. For example, let's take two sentences. She likes to drink tea and coconut water is a healthy drink. In the first statement, drink takes the role of a verb, whereas in the second sentence, the word drink takes the role of a noun. So, the role that a word plays in a sentence depends on the meaning of the word in that particular sentence. Now, let's get some hands on practice. Let's discuss a few sentences. As soon as you hear the sentence, please pause the video, think about your answer, and then you may check your answer. The first sentence is Vinay loves playing football. What part of speech does each word in this sentence belong to? Have you thought of your answer? If yes, please do check if your answers are right. In this sentence, Vinay is the name of a person, so it's a noun. Loves is an action word, so it's a verb. Playing is again an action word, and thus it is a verb. And the last word, football, is the name of a game, so that is a noun. Let's think about another statement. Your suitcase is in the car. Your time starts now. Think about your answer and then see what the answers are. Let's see what the answers are. Your is a determiner. It shows possession and therefore it's a determiner. The second word is suitcase. Suitcase, as you all know, is the name of a thing. Thus, it is a noun. The next word is is. Is denotes a state of being. Thus, it is a verb. In denotes the location of the suitcase. Thus, it is a preposition. The is an article which is one among determiners. The last word is car, and as you know, it's the name of a thing. Thus, it's a noun again. Let's go through one last example before winding up this video. Priya dances well. Think about what the answers would be. Priya is the name of a person. Thus, it's a noun. The word dances denotes an action and so it's a verb. Now, coming to the last word, that is well, it denotes how the verb or how the action, that is dance, was done. It was done well. So, the word well is an adverb. With that, we come to an end of today's video. Do remain tuned in for more videos on English grammar because English grammar learning can be made easier this way. Thank you for watching today's video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel Shimna Study Corner. Like, share, and let me know of your valuable comments below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.